Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix Epic Games Launcher is stuck on the please wait while we start your update. Now, let's start. First of all, close this launcher from the taskbar. Then, go to this PC. C drive. Program Files 86. Epic Games. Launcher. Engine. Config. Windows. After that, select and right-click the WindowsEngine.ini file. Then, open the file with a Notepad application. Now, type launcher force non-SSLCDN equal to false. After that, go to File and click on the Save. Now, close these windows and open the Epic Games Launcher. Great. It's working. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial with amazing and interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.